Hi guys, so let's have some unboxing of Courvoisier V.S.O.P. The product of the France. And let's open it. So on the top of the box we have like that, and you can take it off, and these things are easy to make. And then this opening, oh look, I have a magnet. They forget in the shop, take it off. Can I take it off? Nope. Maybe I can, I don't know. This is the bottle. So bottle is like a bottle, and more of that is the two special made glass, like that. One, here is something on the down of the glass, and another same the glass, and on the box one side, if you like it you can pause it, and from another side, and from another side. And that's all. Thanks for watching.